everyone, and welcome to the big show. This is Investing and Trading Live. Once again, my name is Josh Vilquist. Today is Friday. I believe it is the 11th. No, it actually is spooky Friday the 13th, October 13th. It's the last trading day of the week. And what we're going to do today is a quick stock market update. It's actually going to be a pre-market update. It's about 7:20 here in Mountain Time now today. So it's 7:20 Mountain Time, about 10 minutes before the open. So we'll cover a couple things today. We'll look at the major markets as the markets are about to open up here shortly. We will check and see the winners, the losers, the gappers of the day, and just to do a quick update on that. And then we'll try to do a show either later tonight or Saturday to do a weekly an update on how the week, or a recap on the week. So as we get started, there is risk in trading and investing. You can and will lose money at one point in your life. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only, mainly mine, but hopefully you find it entertaining as well. That being said, S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 is the SPY. Now the SPY looks to gap up. Yesterday closed at 433.66. Looks like it's going to gap up to 435.09 as of right now, unless we see something happen here the next 10 minutes. But that looks like we're going to gap up on the S&P 500. That's your S&Ps. Let's get into the Dow, which is the DIA. Dow Jones Industrial Average. Same thing. This one closed yesterday at 336.27. As of right now, we're looking to gap up to right around 337.48. So markets, kind of what's been happening here the past few days is we've seen rallies really this week. Yesterday had a down day, but it did gap up on the day. So we're seeing the same trend. Will that do the same thing here today? We'll see what happens. I don't know if there's any major news today. I'll have to check that report a little bit later. I like to look at news on forexfactory.com, or you can also go to I did use it yesterday, econosomething.com to get your news. So that's your Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's look at the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF. Same one here. This one here looks to gap up just a little bit less than the others. We're going to gap up about in the middle of yesterday's trading action. Yesterday had a big day. Gaps up, soars to a high for the week here, and goes straight down, but closes kind of in the middle. So we had an indecision day, let's call it, yesterday. I'm looking at a daily chart. Closing the day yesterday at 369.39, looking to open up here right around 370.54 on the day. So that is your S&P 500. Let's peek at, I gotta get off the road here. Sorry guys, 1 second. All right, let's peek at